Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a kebab, which we already made a couple times, and the only difference is that it's just using different way to cook. The mix, the ingredients, all the same, but we are going to try this air fryer. The reason that I'm doing it because first of all, it's so popular these days. And I had this one almost about a year, and I make almost everything with this also. It is a wonderful tool, and you can air fry, roast, bake. Actually, it's a very small oven. This is very useful for the especially people that they don't have a big space or they don't have outdoor grill, and the people living in just like a dormitory in university, that would be a wonderful tool. So we are going to make that kebab. Half of what I have, I'm going with the air fryer, the other half just like an original skewer over the grill. Let's go and make it. All right, as I said, we already made Kabob Koobideh, and these are the ingredients. I have about 2 pounds of ground beef. This one is actually very lean, and the reason is because I prefer. But the actual Kabob Koobideh, the fat has to be minimum 20 to 25% fat. Anyway, that's the way I make it. We need 3 onions that we have to grind it, and I take the juice out of it and use for this 1 kilogram ground beef. What we have here is about 4 teaspoon sumac, 2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon salt, little bit of saffron, which is optional. You don't have to have it, but I like to put it in. It makes it better taste. I have a few tomato for just the grilling. It goes together with the Kabob Koobideh. So let's go and start making it, and we go from there. All right, first thing first, let's prepare our onion. You can grind it with the hand, or I prefer I put it to this little handy grinder, and so make it small pieces. I think it should be enough 2.5. So that's what I'm using right now. Okay, and all right, you just put this around, and we're almost there. A couple more pausing on this one. I think we are good enough. Okay, this is fantastic. That's where we want to be. Okay, next step is that take this out and trying to get all the juice out. Try to get as much as you can. All right, that's good enough. So let me throw this away. All right, what I'm going to do, we are going to weigh this onion, because it actually for 1 kilogram, it should be about like a 250 gram. If it's not, then I have to grind some more. Let's see if it's good. This is 300. 340. Correct? 343. This is the best way to know that you're right on that. Okay, so 250 to 300 gram is the perfect for this. So I'm going to use this for the next time or something else. Okay, here's our measurement, so we know we are doing right amount. All right, you put this in there with the meat. And the rest of the ingredients. All right, so also this time to add, if you like, this is optional, you don't have to, but I like the taste and the color of the saffron always. It's ready to mix them together. Here you go. So just going to mix them together very well, as much as we can, to combine all the ingredients together. And after, maybe it takes about 5 to 6 minutes to do the same thing over and over. Then you're gonna leave it in the fridge for about half an hour. Then we start putting in an air fryer or grilling on the skewer. All right, as you see, it's getting together very well. So look at this. And when it sticks to your hand, it's gonna stick to the skewer too. So this is a good enough mixing. Now we should put it in a fridge for about half an hour or so to bring out all the taste together and the spices. All right, I see you after I put it in the fridge for half an hour. I'll be back. All right, it's been about more than a half an hour actually that has been refreshed, so it's a time to just we just put it on a skewer. Yeah, and for that we need a little bit warm water here. Just go ahead and just wet your hand and get about a medium size oranges and make it a ball and go right into the skewer. All right, again, one more time. Here you go. All right, what I do here right now, as I said, I want to make some on the skewer and over the grill outside, and I also want to make some kebab here with our air fryer. For air fryer, I do the same thing, but I have to take this out of the square to put it in. So just want to make the one that is go out, make it ready because it takes time. At the same time, when it's in here, we can go and on a grill outside. All right, this this is a last one. I'm just doing on this one, and I go wash my hand to come back and prepare the air fryer. All right, what we have to do, take this out. This is in here just in case, because our kebab is not very oily or fat, so I'm just in case I put a little bit of this avocado oil spray. And for this one, the kebab has to be fit in here, so I have to just go like this, so it's going to be a little bit less than this one that I made. And so we go do the same way, with a little bit less meat, and just do the same way that I do on a skewer, because I want to make the same look even. Let me see. Yeah, we're almost there. So this is a good size. Now I put this aside. Going to put, make it ready. I put it on a bake, and 400 for the temperature. For the time duration, should put 8 minutes first, then we can add it if we need it. So I put a start. It's gonna take maybe a minute or so. It's a preheating. When it comes to the time, it tells me that it's already to temperature that we want. While air fryers get ready, so let's try to see if we can take this out without damaging it. Let's see. It's close enough, I think. All right. So doing the same thing again. Yeah, size is okay. As you see, it's ready to put the food inside. All right, let's see what's going to happen. This model that I have, actually, it's very nice because you can see inside. This is light. You can see how it progresses and is it cooking or not. So you don't have to bring it out every time to check. That's a good thing. Now, while this is doing, let me go and prepare my barbecue outside, and I'll be back. Okay, I make this ready for my outdoor grill. You can put that also inside of the air fryer if you want to. But for me, it's easier to just take it and cook it with the rest of the kebab. I think it just shrink a little bit, but I guess it's a time to just turn around and put it back, and for another 8 more minutes. Just put it here for another 8 more minutes. Meanwhile, going to cook this one outside, and hopefully all together is going to be ready at the same time. All right, here is our Kabob Koobideh, original over the grill and air fryer. You see the difference maybe on a look, but I ate it, it tastes absolutely same. Now for just getting this, since we didn't have enough fat in the meat, with the brush, little bit of the go over very easy on a butter, melted butter and saffron. So you can do that also. If you don't have to. It's not part of the ingredients. By the way, this is, it took about like 13 minutes total to make this one. Next time I would not go that far, maybe 11 minutes, that would be better. So because it's going to be a little bit juicier. And I just try before you put it there, try stretch it a little bit so it's not going to get so small. But as I said, the taste is absolutely the same and beautiful. That's what you see that I'm serving with the rice, which mostly they do, but you can eat it with the bread. And the reason that I didn't show the rice, because we have a video about how to make the rice, separate video. I do have it if you want to look at that one. And again, thank you so much for staying with me and watching the video. I hope you enjoy it. And again, thanks so much for your support. Please give me thumbs up, and I really appreciate. Till next time with another dish. Bye.